Just relax now and close your eyes. Imagine that it is late at night and that you are sitting or lying on a sandy beach by the side of the ocean. If you accept each detail of the scene as I describe it, without trying to think critically, your imagination will be free to allow you to experience the situation as if you were really there. Keep your eyes closed and let yourself relax completely on that sandy beach, late on a warm spring evening. Feel the gentle breeze blowing from the direction of the sea, and savor the freshness of the pure night air. As you listen to the sound of the waves gently breaking upon the shore, you can just let go and relax completely, experiencing fully the scene and all its beauty. There is a bright, starlit sky overhead, broken here and there by patches of dark gray clouds and an occasional shaft of moonlight. Now and then, a distant splash can be heard above the sound of the waves as the night continues to pass. But it is too dark to be able to tell what might be the cause of the sound, and you are feeling just too relaxed and too peaceful to get up and investigate. So just let yourself absorb completely the peacefulness which is all around you as the night slowly passes and the moon begins to set. Now, as the first probing fingers of the new day begin to lighten the sky over the ocean, you relax more fully, more completely. The sky above you is becoming lighter as the first rays of sunrise begin to appear on the distant horizon. Let yourself continue to drink in the beauty of the scene as the horizon continues to grow lighter. The sky over the ocean is becoming flooded with a warm, rosy glow as you watch. The horizon itself is hidden by a gray mist rising from the surface of the sea. You decide to walk up to the water's edge in order to see more clearly. As you approach, you discover a row of boulders jutting out into the water like a pointing finger. You approach this crude pier and begin to walk out to the end of it so that you will be better able to take in the full beauty of what is happening around you. Tiny waves are rolling gently past the end of the pier as you watch, breaking beneath the rocks underfoot. and hurling tiny droplets of spray into the puddles which have formed here and there in low depressions in the rock. The waves are creating little eddies of current around the end of the pier, as if they were trying to break it off and pull it away from the shore. As you continue to watch the gray mist rising from the surface of the sea, your ears begin to detect the faint sound of distant rowing. And as you wait for the mysterious boat to appear, you can feel a surge of joy and anticipation as you eagerly await the first glimpse of the boat through the mist. The beauty and the joy of the scene before you continues to increase. Suddenly, as you peer into the mist, you notice the outline of a small boat coming towards you, with an old man seated at the oars. He smiles as he pulls up to the end of the pier, motioning for you to take a seat in the boat beside him. You step in without hesitation and do as he suggests, while he begins to row away with rapid, steady strokes. As you feel yourself carried rapidly along, you become ever more aware of the pleasant exaltation you experience. It is such a pleasant feeling as the oarsman pulls you gently on and on. As the horizon continues to grow brighter, you are being drawn irresistibly along in the direction of the sunrise. And the farther you go, the more pleasant it becomes. Directly in the path of the sunrise, you glimpse the silvery outline of a small island. As you approach, your feelings of joy continue to grow. You pull up and prepare to land. You step out of the boat and onto the beach. You lay down in the cool sand as the boat pulls away, and you watch the sun rise through the mist. The sky is turning brilliant colors of pink and red and orange as you see the rays of the sun penetrating the mist. You watch each wave as it glides in, and watch it as it flows out. With each wave, you feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. You feel the calmness as the waves flow in and out, in and out. You feel completely relaxed, and you smell the sea and listen to the gulls. You lie back on the sand as the sun continues to rise above you, feeling relaxed and drowsy, just letting yourself experience the pleasant sensations, just listening to each wave as it glides in and as it flows out. With each wave, you feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. You feel the calmness as the waves flow in and flow out. In and out. Just allow yourself to continue to relax completely. Whenever you are ready, you may gently come back to full awareness and open your eyes, feeling fully rested and refreshed.